Hello Citywars and welcome to a new update video.
Welcome to update 40.
40.
Yes, 40 update in a row. That's
It-
quite impressive.
It's not 69, but it's 40, so
Yes.
it's nice. It's still nice. Great. So what do we have this 40M update?
We have a few things that I think are very nice. Let's start. Do we start with the emote?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's go to the emote. Let's go to the
Let's go
emote.
to the emote. So we have a new emote this week.
Emote.
I think it's very nice.
It's it's very nice.
I didn't
Why
think
it's
about-
so nice? Please tell me.
Mm,
Tell us why it's so nice. Where is it? Where is it? There you go.
we have so many emotes.
Yeah, I mean the list is getting longer and
Yes.
longer every week.
So can't wait to try it because I didn't have time to try it.
You didn't?
Yes, did you? It's not
I
unlocked.
I mean I test everything else, but I didn't test
Yes.
the emote.
So let's unlock the big emote.
How much star do it cost?
69
Huh?
stars.
Huh? There you go. So I got the pig emote. There you go. So let's hope everything works.
Do we try it on the?
We have I hope for you Garpy because
Yes.
Garpy made this emote. So what can I write? Such pig?
I'm pretty sure.
Boom! There you go. It worked. I'm a little piggy.
It's so cute.
Look at that. Oh my god.
So the emote is themed with the weekly challenge this week, which I find kind of nice.
Yes, I
Yes.
really like these theme stuff that he done. It's
We should have added a skin theme with the, the pig.
yeah.
Yes.
We
yes.
should make a full team and everything.
Little DLC.
That would be very amazing.
So,
So
yes.
this week, if I can say the main content added, because mainly I've been working on other systems, but the main content that was added to this week was made by Wi-Fi.
It's a community map, and I think one of the features of this map is so original. It's like one of my favorites in the tower defense.
It is very amazing. I mean, look at that. We are on the moon. Look at that. It's so amazing. Oh, there you go. There's there's someone go. There you go. Hello. That's
So
amazing.
cute.
How do you enter? I mean, it was.
I don't know.
I don't know. It's so.
they were waiting
that's
for
even
you.
creepy. Look at that. Look at that. It's like, ah! Don't do it. But yeah, it's. I mean, look at this ID. It's so original. You have like all these blast door. You have this little astronaut helmet, and when you get out, look at that. You fly in the air. I mean,
Yes.
I don't even know we can do this kind of stuff with the project. It's so.
That's why I
amazing.
love community maps so much.
Yeah.
Do I see multiple Mr. Oh, it's
Oh,
Wi-Fi.
that's Wi-Fi.
Well, it's the map creator.
Map
so-
creator. Ta, 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 ta. You are the creator. You didn't know, but he is currently being recorded. Yeah. So, but I mean, very nice job with it. It's a very cool concept. I really like it.
Yes. Maybe we could try it. How fast we will die. I don't
Boy.
know.
I don't want to spend too much time in the video because the longer it gets, but let me build a little bit.
Maybe try
Maybe-
one round. Yeah.
Yeah, just maybe one thing maybe I can show also at the same time is it doesn't matter for anyone else, but we did a big change on the way the system worked behind. So in the past, if you will level up your tower, the information of the tower will be stored in the block, and the way the creative works, so it's not really related to player, but as the creative system, now you can copy paste these special values stuck inside the tower. So by example, in the past, if I would do copy and I would move the tower, the information, the block will be moved, everything will be moved, but not the value that you can store as a blueprint. So now it is moved, and this is very useful for some system that currently we are doing. So cool update. It's stuff that we have been working in the back, and that's a little improvement that we do sometimes that make
A
your
lot
life
of
lot
technical improvement this week we added, so we're still working on some. I think it's going to be really nice. You also have some locked doors that you need some resources to
easier. I
unlock.
do.
Yes, the red door. in order
Just
to
go
open it.
watch my road. It's your job now. I need some rope. I need some. What is this?
Coal.
Coal. There you go. Oh, look
Coal.
at that. Boing. And now I can get the resource. So you have to gather these resources before entering this place. Is
Yeah.
there any place to get rope? I don't see
Yes.
vine. Oh yeah, it's
Yes.
in there. Okay,
It's
I
in
see.
the little nature.
Look at that. And there's no gravity. There's normal gravity. Here.
Yes,
Oh.
since it's nature.
Yeah.
There's like atmosphere.
This is very awesome. This is
So
very
cute.
awesome. Yes, definitely. Like very cool concept. Very good idea. Very well executed. I mean, look at the sky. Look at that. It's
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Great. So maybe the weekly challenge. Yeah,
yes. Next up, we have the weekly challenge, which is themed the same as the emote. So let's put it on the map.
Click.
So this week you need to hunt some pigs.
Look at that. I'm the best pig
Yes.
hunter. So collect 50 pig. Collect 50 pig undead, sorry, this week, and when the weekly challenge table is placed, pig will randomly spawn around the map on them to progress on the challenge. So
You need to get some bacon.
already some people eat a lot of bacon right now. Look at that.
Bacon is good.
Yeah, bacon is very good. So, oh, look at that. Little piggy, can I be your friend? Choop. Look at me. Have some fun. So
we should need a bonus when you're pig. The pig will be friends with you.
yeah, that would be amazing. I mean, who ever see pigs on the moon? Because it's the first time I see it.
Yeah.
It's the first time.
You don't have a very good weapon.
No, I don't. I'm quite
I can
poor
say.
in weapon. There you go.
So yeah, this week you need to hunt some pigs and gather the bacon. You can even eat the bacon.
Can I?
Yeah,
Ah, look at that.
you're in gold mode.
Eating bacon in space. That's so
Yes.
weird. But it worked. Don't argue on the logic behind it. Great. So that's for the content.
This week, yes. So
Okay, good.
that's the main content this week released for the tower defense. Now we'll show a little bit more technical stuff.
Yes, generally we don't show much more about the technical stuff, but we're starting to have more people doing community maps, so I think it could be nice to include them in the video if you're looking most.
When we have some news.
So yeah,
stuff that-
yeah,
yeah.
new system that can be used too for streamer and everything. So let's start with the animation system. I don't remember where I placed it, so I might have to search a
I think
little
it's
bit.
17.
17. Oh, he's there, he's there.
You found it.
Okay, so this one right now it's broken on my version, is it right? I think it's fixed on your new version. So next update is going to be fixed this way.
I think it's already pushed.
It's already pushed. Okay, that's on me. That didn't update. So
145.2.
not too. I'm too old on this version. So we have a system in the past that allow you to move object. So when you edit the object, let me just show you a little bit. You can edit the object runtime in the game, but you can also add some certain animation, okay, into it, and you had to place certain object left and right to be able to move and do stuff. It was convenient, but it was not perfect to be able to use them into to Blender.
It was hard to picture.
Yeah,
where
it was
object
very
would-
hard
would
to
be.
picture. I mean, it was some kind of system like in the alpha phase, I can say beta phase, and personally I was not very satisfied on how it worked, but it was working for what it needed to do. What we have been changing now is we have transferred the animation system to the blueprint, okay? So now when you are cutting something, when you are creating some kind of animation, the only thing that you need to do is you need to specify to Blender which animation tag that you have, and from there you can just, with the blueprint system, you can, by example, you can set the location of the object, you can rotate the object, and you can also change the scale of the object. So by example, if you have this very, I don't know, turret turning or doing stuff like this, you can all configure your stuff with the blueprint. Right now, I think we have a little issue with the set rotation. The
Yes.
rotation is a bit awkward, but that is going to be fixed next week. But as you can see, you can just like add location, set location. So from there you can do all what the previous animation system was doing, but in a much more flexible way from inside the blueprint. And the goal was to really make the system more convenient to use. So I hope you guys have. I don't know. I know there's not a lot of people who have access to this blueprint so far, but this is going to go be more accessible in the future. And this is a kind of optimization that we work a lot these days to make the system a lot better. So
I can't wait to see what the player can do with mathematics with now inside the node, because the problem with Blender is it was static.
Yeah.
So you couldn't make some custom stuff that modify the numbers depending on some variables and situation on the map, so we can make truly more dynamic stuff. Also, new this week we added vector 3 node inside the node system, so a lot more coming with this.
Yeah, exactly. You can do all the math function, and slowly we are going to implement all the math function to the vector stuff. So good thing about it. Good. So as you can see, this is a little example that I'm building, and what it does, it simply add a little bit of animation to the thing. So you see that you have like this little arm doing each part and moving and doing like all these little animation stuff. See?
What is nice is it's 100% in blueprint, so the object in the Blender it's only separated object that you can move directly.
I think I broke the other example I was building. Yeah, I did. But anyway, I'm going to show a little bit more probably next week, but I also added some stuff that you can rotate the arm individually. A lot of testing with it. So we didn't have full time to finish 100% what we wanted to do, but that is going to be on the next week. Next part. I'm not sure if I exit my account. Okay, there you go. So the next part that we've done is about the streaming system that we have. Okay, so if you press escape, you go to setting and you go all the way down here. You have the Twitch developer account. Okay, so what we've done is we've done a full rewrite of the system. In the past, you could connect your account Twitch, and when people will send some, I don't know the name. Bits, is it? But what is the other channel reading?
The channel points and the cheer.
Okay, so people could send you stuff, and this could activate stuff on your game and everything. But we didn't add the chat, and we didn't add other event like following or other like little special event like this. So we put down the entire system and we rebuild it from scratch. So now let me just give it a try and connect.
With the new system, what is nice is we can have a lot more events. So we will be adding more events with the upcoming weeks also on this.
Another very awesome thing that we found is in the past we needed access to your account. So we had to request the player to give us access to their redeem point, but we didn't need them. With the new system, we don't need any authorization or special authorization to be able to do what we do. So a lot more secure when you are have your very big Twitch account or anything. So let me authorize. I have this very weird Twitch account because that's the way it is. You need some weird Twitch account if you want to be able to test stuff on Twitch. But right now what I've done is I connect my Twitch into my system. And the nice thing about it is right now I am already connected to Twitch, and if I go here, I think it's the page, is it right? Good channel. So right now I am inside my channel, which is this one here, okay? And what I'm going to test right now, I'm going to go here. I have this viewer which is watching my account, and if I go here and I'm speaking like, hello, Citywars, there you go. Now the nice thing about it, if I go here, you can see that now once you are connected, you are going to be able to see your Twitch message directly from inside Citywars, okay? The nice thing with the new system also is now you can also see the follower. So if you have a follower, we can create some kind of event that are going to be about, I don't know exactly about Twitch. How do you follow?
The art.
Yeah. Thank you. I'm such a noob with the Twitch. There you go. So follow like this. Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
So you see that right now that Citywars Savage followed your channel, and We also still have all the bits system. So, by example, if I send, you can
Channel point as
configure.
well,
Yeah, I'm not going to do a full video about it because there's already the one on Steam. But if you want to know more about it, you can just go on the Steam page and there is the Twitch integration. But if you are a streamer and you have access to these redeem points, you can send, configure all your account. And by example, right now I can send the bits, and as you can see in the game, I can become like Super Saiyan and stuff like that. There's a lot of cool events that probably we are going to add a lot more in the future. But it's just to show a little bit what we have done about the system. It took a bit of time this week to redo the system on Intergly, but I think it's going to be a very cool feature in the future.
But what I like about this is everything is in the blueprint system. So you have new events that you can exit directly inside the blueprint. So if you were to make a blueprint, you will be able to implement whatever you want with the new events with Twitch.
Yeah, exactly. Like you see right now, every time that I receive a message from Twitch, it is simply executing this event here. And we just put concatenate that add like Twitch in the chat, add the player, and then add the message. But in reality, you can do a lot of stuff with this kind of stuff.
You could have a system that when players write on your Twitch, you have special stuff happening in your game. So you could have like a Twitch chat game inside Citywars.
Yeah, exactly. Probably one thing that I would love to do is some kind of
up,
command.
Down.
Exactly, like let's say, by example, you can up, you can control another NPC, you can send stuff. One of the game that has a lot of feature about it is, I think, 7 Days to Die. They have this very complex system where their streamer can participate to their stream and they can send monster and so on. This is all what we are going to be able to do, and even much more with the system. So a lot of time spending on it this week trying to redo the entire system. Sebastian worked very hard on it, so now it's working. Very cool. I was not sure if we were able to finish this week, but also the system is it implemented. It's for a friend of us, Jojo. So I hope you watch this video and you have some chance to give it a look. Great. I think is it all for this week?
Yes, I think it's all. So maybe recap. This week we had the new community map made by Wi-Fi. Thank you very much. We had a new emote and pig weekly challenge, which was made by Garpy. Thank you very much, Garpy. Very cute. And also you're still in Super Saiyan mode.
Yeah, that's what I just I wanted to see what's wrong. Great. So I mean, I think it's all. We are going to go get some sleep and take care, guys.
Take
Have
care.
a great weekend.
Bye.